Darian Woolbright here with today's issue of Virtual Open Houses. Today's Virtual Open is a lake house I'm so excited to tell you about. The address is 12 West Shore Drive, and it's located on, you guessed it, the west shore of Lake Hiawassee. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with a 2-car garage and a double-decker floating boat dock with an automatic boat lift. It's incredible. The location is fantastic too because it's within 30 minutes of downtown Oklahoma City and 15 to 20 minutes from anywhere in Edmond. Enjoy the show and let me know if you have any questions. For more information and a virtual tour like this, click on 12westshoredrive.com. That's 12wshoredr.com. Check it out.